This story is about justice, fairness, and the rule of law in Nigeria, but also about one man and what his case tells ordinary Nigerians about power. In Abuja yesterday, something unusual happened in the Federal High Court. A bid by Nnamdi Kanu, the jailed leader of IPOB, was struck out by the judge. No, don't switch off yet. The deeper part is coming. Why was this court session important? Because Kanu isn't just any defendant. He's a convicted man serving life for terrorism-related offenses. And yesterday's court wasn't a normal hearing. He was asking to be moved from Sokoto Prison to somewhere closer, like Abuja, so he could pursue his appeal more effectively. But at the center of this hearing was a surprise twist. Just as the court was about to consider the application, Kanu's own lawyer stepped down. Yes, from his own case. That's the moment people tuned in or turned away. But what really happened next will matter more than the headlines. The judge at the center. The man making these decisions is Justice James Omotosho, the presiding judge in the Federal High Court in Abuja. He didn't simply reject Kanu's motion. He said it was incompetent, improperly filed, and lacked proper legal backing. And perhaps more pointedly, he allowed the lawyer to withdraw. Pause for a moment. A lawyer quits mid-case, a motion gets struck out, and ordinary Nigerians are left asking whose side is the law really on. Here's the real twist. This wasn't just about moving a prisoner. This was about due process. Did Kanu's team follow the rules? Did the court give everyone a fair chance? Did the government have its say? Now hold that thought, because what comes next is the key insight. Here's the bigger picture. A federal high court in this country can strike out a motion not just on merit but on procedure. And if your lawyer walks away mid-hearings, you instantly lose your strongest defense. That reflects a deeper imbalance in our system, not between the law and Kanu, but between powerful state institutions and the powerless citizen trying to navigate complex legal terrain. Ordinary Nigerians should ask, if a high-profile leader can lose representation like this, what happens to someone without resources or public attention? That's the real tension at play. Yesterday was not the end of Kanu's legal journey. There will be appeals, there will be more filings, but the way this court handled this motion and the withdrawal of counsel raises deeper questions about fairness and access to justice in Nigeria. Tell us in the comments, do you think the judge was right to strike out the motion, or has this exposed bigger weaknesses in our justice system? Let's discuss.